Welcome dear students. In one another session, myself, Mrs. Darshana Sandeep Shinde from KKWIUP, Chandori. Today we deal with the chemotherapy of tuberculosis or TB, or it may be known as the chemotherapy of microbial diseases too. Learning outcomes of our today's session. After watching this video, students are able to understand and recognize what is tuberculosis. Chemotherapy of tuberculosis, it involves different kinds of drug, in that isonucleonic acid hydrazide INH, then streptomycin, rifampicin, ethambutol, para-aminosalicylic acid, that is PAS, thioacetone. Let's see introduction about the TB. Mycobacterium, from a Greek, it is a Greek word, that is mycons, refers to the mycobacteria's waxy appearance, which is due to the composition of their cell walls. Its cell wall contain more than 60% of a cell wall is a lipid, mainly contain the mycolic acid. This extraordinary shield prevent many pharmacological compound from getting to the bacterial cell membrane or inside the cytosol. That means this mycolic acid which prevent this bacteria to or to show the other drugs to show their pharmacological effect and getting into the bacterial cell membrane. This mycolic acid prevent it. Another barrier is to propensity of some of the bacilli to hide inside the patient's cell, thereby surrounding themselves with an extra physicochemical barrier that antimicrobial agent must cross to be an effective one. These two shields for this Mycobacterium tuberculosis, that is, it contains the mycolic acid and it has some feature of to hide inside the patient body. Then we move towards the chemotherapy of tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, it is an infectious disease caused by the several species of the mycobacteria. It is a systemic disease and the commonest form in the man is a chronic pulmonary tuberculosis, that is TB. Its common form is TB, chronic pulmonary tuberculosis. Chemotherapeutic agent used in the treatment of the tuberculosis can be divided into the two groups. First is a standard drugs used in the initial treatment of, then it involves the streptomycin, isonucleonic acid hydrazide, rifampicin, ethambutol, para-aminosalicylic acid and thiacetazone. Then next is a reserve drug used in the resistance. These are the pyrazinamide, thionamide, capreomycin, kanamycin, vivomycin, cycloserine. These are the two type of the drug, two categories which are used in the treatment of the TB. First of all, we see the streptomycin. It is the both tuberculostatic and tuberculocidalin. That means it prevent the growth and sometimes it may be kill the growth. It mainly act as a tuberculostatic agent, that means prevent the growth of the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. When the streptomycin is used along, the permanent bacterial resistance occur within the 3 to 5 months. So, but when it is used in the combination, in the development of the resistance may delayed for a year or more. That means when we use streptomycin singly in the treatment of the TB, it may produce the resistance within the 3 to 5 months. But if it is used with some kind of another drug combinations, it may be produced or resistance may be delayed to the year or more. Then next drug is isonucleonic acid hydrazine, or it may be commonly known as the INH. It is most effective against the mycobacterium. This drug acts only on the organism inactive state of the division. It is primarily tuberculocidal. That means it has capable to kill that mycobacterium tuberculosis. Isoniazid inhibit the synthesis of the mycolic acid, which are essential component of the mycobacterial cell wall, which we already seen. Isoniazid is a prodrug that is activated by the CatG, and mycobacterial catalyze the peroxidase. Then we see the mechanism of action of INH. It inhibits the phospholipid formation and damages the cell membrane of the tubercular bacteria. Another possible mechanism is the chelation of the divalent cations essential for the bacterial metabolism. It also inhibits the ability to subfirese the formation of the DNA. It is used along the mycobacteria can develop the resistance to INH very rapidly. INH is used both in the treatment of the active tuberculosis and usually chemoprophylaxis of tuberculosis. That means active treatment of the TB also and chemoprophylaxis of TB also this INH can be used. We see the adverse reaction. In general, INH is a safe drug. Most important toxic effects are on peripheral and central nervous system. These includes intolerance, peripheral nervous system. It has a drug causes the peripheral neuritis leading to the anesthesia and burning pain. The isoniazid deplete the pyridoxine, that is vitamin B5, and vitamin B6 deficiency produces the peripheral neuritis and sometimes anemia also. Pyridoxine administered daily in the dose of the 100 mg effectively counter this effect. So in the treatment of TB we can give the vitamin B6 and B5 also. Central nervous system effects include convulsion, psychotic behavior, euphoria, transient loss of memory, loss of self-control also seen. Then preparation and dose. Isoniazid tablet IP 100 mg. Its dose is 200 to 300 mg daily. Isoniazid syrups containing 500 mg per ml. Isoniazid injection containing 100 mg per ml is also available. Then the next drug is rifampicin. It is a semi-synthetic derivative of rifampicin B or rifamycin B. It is the most important effective against the mycobacterium tuberculosis. It is effective against the tubercular bacilli, resistance to standard chemotherapeutic agents also. It is a bactericidal, capable to kill the bacteria and act as a both intra and extracellular organism. Rifampicin is by nature it is an antibiotic. Adverse reaction. These are more frequent, serious during the intermittent administration and include the skin rash, diarrhea, dizziness, eosinophilia, increase the eosinophilia percentage or concentration in WBC. It can cause the fatal liver damage also. Then therapeutic uses of rifampicin. Rifampicin mainly used in the treatment of the tuberculosis. Usually a dose of 10 mg per kg is recommended. A combination of rifampicin 450 to 600 mg and INH 300 mg is more effective or even superior to the combination of streptomycin and INH. That means rifampicin and INH combination is superior than the streptomycin and INH combination. Then the next drug is ethambutol. It is effective against the mycobacterium resistance to the INH. The drugs which are produces the resistance to the INH or when the body is produce resistance to the INH, at that time this ethambutol is used past streptomycin ethionamide, its mechanism of action is not exactly known one. That means when the PAS, streptomycin, ethionamides, INH, these drugs have resistance, ethambutol can be used. The drug mainly acts against the rapidly multiplying organism. Ethambutol is administered concurrently with other anti-TB drugs, usually INH, in order to delay the development of the resistance. To avoid the resistance, it may be not taken as singly, or it may be preferred in the combination form, especially with the INH. Its adverse reaction include muscular weakness, loss of vision, anaphylactic shock may be occur, nausea, anorexia, confusion, headache, allergic reaction may also occur. Preparation and dose: 25 mg per kg of ethambutol is administered for about 72 weeks and thereafter 75 mg per kg per day. Then the next drug is the para-amino-salicylic acid, that is PAS. It is a synthetic compound with the bacteriostatic activity. It is less potent than the INH and streptomycin, hence it is not much useful when used alone. The drug acts interfering with the utilization of the PABA by the Mycobacterium. This drug is also prepared with the combination. It does not affect on any other microorganism, effective against the Mycobacterium tuberculosis 1. It is the rapidly absorbed on the oral administration, about 50 to 60%. Then drug is bound to the plasma protein and rapidly distributed throughout the body fluid. It is mainly metabolized by the acetylation and excretion or excreted via urine. Its adverse reaction include skin rash, low-grade fever, eosinophilia may also occur. Gastrointestinal irritation is commonest side effect of the PAS. Besides this, anorexia, nausea, epigastric burning, diarrhea may also occur. Preparation and dose contain sodium aminosilate tablet 0.5 mg drug. Dose is about 10 to 50 mg daily in divided doses. Among INH, PAS and streptomycin, PAS is the most toxic, least effective and expensive compound. Then thiacetazone, it is the cheapest substituent to the PAS to act as a companion to the INH. When it is given in the streptomycin or given with the streptomycin, it does not delay the resistance of the streptomycin and it is interfere with the PAS in this respect. It is satisfactorily absorbed from the gut or GIT, excreted via urine. Anorexia, nausea, vomiting are important side effect of it. The serious toxic effect include the anemia, agranulocytosis, damage to kidney and liver also. These are the severe toxic effect of the thiacetazone. Then we reach towards the summary. In this session, we cover what is meant by tuberculosis, chemotherapy of tuberculosis, streptomycin, drug used in the treatment of TB, isonicotinonic acid hydralazine, INH, rifampicin, ethambutol, para-amino-salicylic acid, that is PAS, thiacetazone. Thank you very much for attending this session.